So how do we actually activate our Ninebot electrical scooter here, as you can see? Well, the first thing you need to do is to click on the power button here to be able to actually turn it on. The second thing you need to do is to get an app called Segway Mobility if you haven't yet gotten it. You can get it on the App Store or Google Play Store, of course. Then on the app here you have to click on Search My Device and you can connect to it via Bluetooth or scan QR code if it's the first time. I'm just gonna click on Bluetooth because it's the easiest one, and then I'm just gonna connect to my scooter here real quick. You can see it's now connected, and I have to click also on the power button one time for it to recognize the scooter. And you can see device pairing successfully. So I'm just gonna click on OK, click on bind here. And this one should be done as well now. I'm just gonna click on next, next here, next. Yeah, perfect. You can see I have it now on my app, which is awesome. So now when I've actually connected the scooter to the app, I can now start driving it exactly how I want to. So obviously you have to click on this power button here, just click down, and then you will be able to start running or riding it. Sometimes you also have to actually give it some like push before you can actually start it. But yeah, it depends on which model you have, to be honest. But basically that is exactly how to activate it.